Squad, it's your girl Celeste Renee, and I am back with another video. This is just a quick warning. This video is going to be super short because I am not happy with the results that I had this week, and I don't even want to talk about it. So let's go. Guys, I gained 5 pounds this week. That's that. I don't even want to talk about it, honestly. I don't even want to talk about it. I really don't even want to talk about it. But I honestly wasn't even going to record this video. I was just like, you know, girl, just skip the week. It's fine. But then I was like, that's trifling, Celeste. You can't just like go ghost on people because you did bad. So to be honest and holding each other accountable, I'm just really upset. Y'all see, like, I even have a shirt on today. Normally I have like my sports bra. No, not happening today. It's just been a really rough week, guys. So, I hate making excuses. Let me get my water. I went home for Mother's Day last weekend. And I said that on the last video. I was like, oh, I'm going home, so like, you know. Remember I told you the Pop-Tart story. And then that Saturday I went home to San Antonio for Mother's Day. And y'all, I went in. Like, my mom was cooking, my dad was barbecuing, and I just like ate. And when I came back, my waist piece was like literally like about to pop off. And then when I got back home, like Monday, I didn't get back into my routine. I didn't go grocery shopping. I didn't food prep, meal prep, nothing like that. I was just like, I was really like only eating one meal, but the one meal I was eating was bad. Like, what was that? Child, I don't even know. Like, I didn't work out at all last week either. That was it too. I didn't work out. I think that's another reason why like my mind was just like, I don't know. I didn't work out. I was just like in a funk, y'all. Like, and now I'm up 5 pounds, which is really bad because if y'all remember, last week I was up 3 pounds. So altogether, that's 5, 6, 7, 8 pounds in 2 weeks. So now I got to lose them 8 pounds plus before my birthday, and I'm just so stressed. I shouldn't be stressed because I did it to myself, right? Like, y'all probably like, girl, why are you stressing and complaining? You did it yourself. I know, but still. So yeah, that happened. The good thing is that this week, today's Tuesday. See, I procrastinated to record this video, guys. Like, when I tell y'all, I really was not gonna record this video. I was just like, I mean, what if I just skip the week and just come back the next week? But I was just like, girl, that's scamming. Like, you can't be out here just like not saying what happened because, you know, you feel bad. But I didn't record the weight on the scale. So I was like, I'm not doing that. So y'all could do the math. Y'all, I told you how much I weighed last week and add an additional 5 pounds up to that. So there you go. Y'all probably like, girl, why are you taking it out on us? I don't know. I'm sorry. Please forgive me in this attitude. But yeah, guys, it's a pretty rough week. Gained 5 freaking pounds. Like, it's so crazy because it's like it's so hard for the weight to come off, and it's so easy for it to come back on. Literally, you eat a burger, boom, 10 pounds. Like, but the good thing is, I'm just trying to be optimistic. The good thing is that it's now Tuesday. Monday, I did really well. Actually, I did really well up until I had a bag of hot Cheetos, and they actually made my stomach hurt. So that was kind of like karma because it's like, girl, you shouldn't have ate that, and I ate it. But other than that, I did really well. What else? Oh, my gym, my Hot Works gym opened back up, so I went there on Monday. It was good to like actually like work out and sweat. Oh my god, I couldn't even make it through the whole class. So I was like, I had to leave. I was low out. So I was like, dang girl, my stamina has went down. But yeah, guys, just here to give you an update. I'm sorry if this video is boring or just y'all probably like, girl, what? But yeah, guys, this is what happened. So what week are we on? Week 3. Week 3 was trash for me. I hope it was better for you. I really do. I really do. Oh, I'm so disappointed in myself. I feel so bad. I'm like, dang, Celeste. Like, how are you supposed to be having a challenge? You're supposed to be encouraging other people. You can't even encourage yourself. Like, girl, get it together. But anyways, we're not gonna beat ourselves up. Even I've done that enough for myself. Anyways, okay, I'm gonna stop having a pity party on camera because that's not cute. I hope this week goes a lot better. I feel optimistic. I feel like it's gonna be a good week. Today's Tuesday. Monday, like I said, I did really well. I worked out, did all my stuff. Sorry, y'all, I'm looking at my work computer because I'm supposed to be on a Zoom meeting. I just muted it so I can record this video. But yeah, so if you guys have any anything you want to add, please leave it in the comments. I do check the comments. Somebody said something about doing a snake diet. I don't know what that is. So if you know what it is, please comment below, because I've never heard of it. I don't know what it is. I'm not really a fan of diets. I think the word diet, when you say diet, like your head already goes like very restrictive mode. And for me personally, when the most restrictive I've been was when I was doing the 90-day challenge, but as you guys know, that ended early, so whatever. But we're just trying to figure it out, y'all. We're just trying to figure it out. So like I said, I hope this week was better for you all than it was for me. Hopefully next week when I come on here, I will have some positive news, like some weight lossage. And I think I should, because honestly, everything that I was eating probably just needs to be, you know, y'all know. I don't want to get too TMI, but I just probably need to like let go and let, you know. So anyways, yes, that's that. And I will see you guys later. Bye.